do you use to control credit management at all these three different points? That is done. So the question here is, how is credit management controlled at order or delivery or PGI? The answer to this is credit group. So what is a credit group? At each of these points, SAP gives us a chance to assign a parameter called the credit group. So if you have an order of type OR or ZOR, it can be assigned a credit group of 01 or Z1 or whatever you want to assign. It's a free form character. The standard system assigns 01 to OR. Now in a delivery, there are two different credit groups that can be assigned. One is 02 for delivery, another 03 for PGI. There's no separate thing for PGI because PGI is part of delivery. So delivery document type can be associated with two different credit groups, one for the creation of delivery, one for the PGI. Now what do these credit groups do? If you go to OVA8, which is the transaction code to control credit management, you'll see that there are three main parameters that control how credit management happens. One is the credit control area. The second is credit group. And the third is the risk category. Risk category is a property of the customer. Some customers are high risk, some customers are low risk. For example, if you're selling something to a big conglomerate, a Fortune 500 company, it's low risk. If you're selling to a mom and pop store, it's always high risk. Now, what about a credit group? The credit group is what is configured here and here. So for a combination of credit control area, this is more similar to your sales area. So you can have 1000 to represent US and a credit group of 01 and a risk category of low, and you can have more combinations like that. 1000 credit group of 2 plus low, 1000 plus credit group of 03 plus low. So in effect, these things are common, but this represents one set of credit management settings for an order. This represents another set of credit management settings for a delivery, and this represents another set of credit management settings for a PGI. Now what does it mean? So that means that you can have a different type of credit management during order creation, and a different type of credit management during delivery creation, and a different type during PGI of the same delivery. So that is the level of control that SAP gives you in doing your credit management.